In the realm of intimate relationships, the intricacies of sexual experiences and desires have long been a subject of fascination and study. Psychology has delved into the depths of human sexuality, shedding light on the various factors that contribute to satisfaction, arousal, and emotional connection between partners. When it comes to the progression of sexual encounters in a typical relationship, it is often observed that the second experience tends to be more fulfilling than the first. This can be attributed to the initial encounter being characterized by feelings of shyness and nervousness, which may hinder the full expression of desires and comfort between partners. As individuals become more familiar with each other and their own needs, subsequent encounters often lead to heightened satisfaction. The human mind is no stranger to sexual thoughts, with psychological studies suggesting that such musings cross a person's mind approximately 20 to 25 times a day. This frequency highlights the significant role that sexuality plays in our daily lives, influencing our thoughts, desires, and behaviors. The art of arousal is a complex interplay of physical and emotional cues. A gentle touch on a woman's backside or a tender caress of her cheek while brushing back her hair can ignite a spark of excitement, tapping into the body's sensitive receptors and evoking a sense of intimacy. Similarly, the act of touching a woman's ear with one's tongue can elicit a powerful response, as the ear, like other organs, is a highly sensitive area. However, it is crucial to approach sexual encounters with authenticity and genuine emotion. Pretending to feel something that is not truly present can lead to dissatisfaction and emotional disconnection. As the saying goes, love is not ours to command, and the same holds true for sexual desire. Throughout the lifespan, sexual desire and activity may ebb and flow, influenced by hormonal shifts, health conditions, and personal preferences. It is important to recognize that sexuality is not a static entity, but rather a dynamic aspect of human experience that evolves over time. In the pursuit of sexual pleasure, various techniques and approaches have been explored. The application of coconut oil during intercourse, for example, has been found to reduce dryness and alleviate pain, enhancing comfort and enjoyment for both partners. Additionally, the act of pressing a woman's private parts during lovemaking is believed to bring about extreme happiness, tapping into the body's sensitive nerve endings. The role of personal hygiene cannot be overstated in the context of sexual attraction. A woman may derive greater pleasure from intimate encounters with a partner whose body is free from unpleasant odors, as the olfactory sense plays a significant role in arousal and desire. While popular beliefs may associate certain personality traits or preferences with physical attributes like breast size, it is important to approach such generalizations with caution. Women's independence, romantic inclinations, and secretive tendencies cannot be accurately determined based on their breast size alone. Each individual possesses a unique combination of characteristics that shape their way of expressing themselves. The clitoris, a small but mighty organ, holds a special place in the realm of female sexual pleasure. As the only organ in the human body solely dedicated to sexual gratification, the clitoris plays a crucial role in women's sexual satisfaction. However, it is important to note that sexual fulfillment is not solely dependent on physical stimulation, but also on factors such as sexual self-confidence and the ability to celebrate one's own unique desires and needs. During sexual intercourse, open communication and mutual consent should take precedence over relying on specific actions to stimulate excitement. Each individual's preferences and desires are unique, and there is no universal formula for pleasure. Sexual arousal involves a complex interplay of physiological and psychological responses to various stimuli, influenced by factors such as attraction, mood, and environment. Regular screenings for sexually transmitted infections are of utmost importance for women of all ages, including those over 50. Prioritizing sexual health through early detection and treatment is crucial for maintaining overall well-being and enjoying a fulfilling sexual life. The sexual liberation movement has played a significant role in challenging societal norms, promoting sexual expression, and combating the shame and stigma surrounding sexuality. By encouraging open and honest conversations about desire, pleasure, and consent, this movement aims to foster a more inclusive and accepting environment for individuals to explore their sexuality freely. Women's sexual satisfaction can be greatly influenced by their willingness to step outside their comfort zones and explore new experiences. By embracing curiosity and openness, women may discover new sources of pleasure and deepen their understanding of their own desires. When it comes to resolving conflicts in relationships, women often value open discussion and emotional validation, while men may have a tendency to seek quick solutions. Recognizing and respecting these differences in communication styles can help partners navigate challenges and foster a stronger emotional connection. Sexual compatibility, characterized by the alignment of individual desires, preferences, and needs, can greatly enhance the overall quality of a sexual relationship. When partners are attuned to each other's wants and boundaries, they are more likely to experience mutual satisfaction and fulfillment. Effective sexual communication, rooted in open and honest exchange, is a key component of building and maintaining a satisfying sexual relationship. By expressing desires, setting boundaries, and discussing concerns with sensitivity and respect, partners can create a safe and nurturing environment for exploration and pleasure. It is important to note that women's bodies undergo natural changes throughout the menstrual cycle, including variations in vaginal discharge due to hormonal fluctuations. Understanding and normalizing these changes can help foster a more positive and accepting relationship with one's own body. In the broader context of relationships, women often seek emotional connection and intimacy as a means of feeling close to their partner. Men, on the other hand, may prioritize shared activities and experiences as a way to bond and strengthen their connection. Recognizing and valuing these different approaches to intimacy can help partners create a more balanced and fulfilling relationship. While physical attraction and visual appeal can play a role in the initial stages of a relationship, it is crucial to approach discussions about a partner's appearance and hygiene with sensitivity and respect. Open and honest communication, coupled with a focus on emotional connection, can help partners navigate these topics in a way that promotes understanding and mutual satisfaction. Ultimately, the journey of sexual exploration and satisfaction is a deeply personal one, shaped by individual preferences, desires, and experiences. By fostering open communication, mutual consent, and a willingness to step outside one's comfort zone, individuals can cultivate a more fulfilling and enriching sexual life, both within themselves and in their intimate relationships.